There were three lovely lassies from Kimmage,
From Kimmage,
from Kimmage,
from Kimmage,
from Kimmage,
from Kimmage,
from Kimmage.
from Kimmage.
And whenever there was a bit of a scrimmage,
A scrimmage,
sure I was the toughest of all.
sure I was the toughest of all.
Well, the cause of the row is Joe Cashin,
Joe Cashin,
Joe Cashin,
Joe Cashin,
Joe Cashin,
Joe Cashin,
Joe Cashin.
Joe Cashin,
For he told me he thought I looked smashing
smashing
at a dance in St. Anthony's Hall.
at a dance in St. Anthony's Hall.
Well, the other two young ones was flippin',
Flippin',
they were 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 flippin'.
they were flippin',
When they saw me and Joe and we trippin'
trippin',
to the strains of the Tennessee Waltz.
to the strains of the Tennessee Waltz.
When he gets a few jars, he goes frantic,
Frantic,
goes frantic,
goes frantic,
goes frantic,
goes frantic,
goes frantic.
goes frantic,
But he's tall and he's dark and romantic,
romantic,
and I love him in spite of it all.
and I love him in spite of it all.
Well, he told me he thought we should marry,
Marry,
should marry,
should marry,
should marry,
should marry,
should marry.
should marry,
He said it was foolish to tarry,
to tarry.
so I lent him the price of the ring.
So I lent him the price of the ring.
Well, me dad said he'd give us a present,
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 a present.
a stool and a lousy stuffed pheasant,
Stuffed pheasant,
and a picture to hang on the wall.
and a picture to hang on the wall.
I went down to the tenancy section in the corporation, the section,
That section,
oh the section,
that section,
oh the section,
that section.
the TD just before the election
Election,
said he'd get me a house near me ma.
said he'd get me a house near me, ma.
Well, we're getting a house, the man said
He said it,
oh he said
he said it,
oh he said
he said it,
oh he said
he said it.
When I've 5 or 6 kids to me credit,
Me credit.
in the meantime we'll live with me ma.
In the meantime, we'll live with me, ma.